sleepy. Maybe coffee will wake me up. It smells so good. It's so bitter. I need sugar. Oh, not a lot of sugar. It's barely 7 a.m. I don't want to go to the store to get sugar. Oh, there's still sugar in the bottle. I know what to do. Now I just need to mix it up. Now I'll pour it back in the cup. I love this smell. Amy, look at this dress.
Oh, it's so pretty. Let's go to the mall and try it on.
But I'm so lazy to go out. It's so hot outside.
Lily, I know what to do. To help Lily find the dress without going out, all we need is her picture and some scissors. Use the scissors to cut out Lily's head from the picture. Okay, Lily, you can shop now. You can use a picture of your head to try on different styles of dresses. Now you don't need to go out, only shop online.
What a good idea, Amy. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Lily, do you know where the remote control is?
I think it should be under the pillow behind you.
Really? It's not right there.
We keep losing the remote. How are we gonna make it stand out?
To help the remote control stand out, all we need are some balloons. Use the end of the balloon string to tie up the remote. So wherever the balloons are, that's where the remote control is.
Wow, what a good idea!
Thanks. Here, let's put on that singing show.
Ooh, yes. Hey Max, do you know how to do... Why are you sleeping? Hello? Wake up! Wake up!
I'm so tired. Don't wake me up.
Max, you gotta wake up. Tomorrow's the big test day.
I know. I'm so tired though.
How could I help wake him up? To help Max wake up, all we need is a lemon and some water. Use the knife to slice the lemon. Put 2 slices of lemon in the cup and then add some water. The last step is to add ice. Hey Max, try this drink.
What? What is that?
Just drink it.
Fine. Whoa, it's so cold, it woke me up.
So how do you feel now?
Oh, I feel a lot better. I can study for the test now.
Do you know how to do this problem?
Yeah.
Let's go work out. Oh, I'm tired right now.
Come on, we need to get our summer bodies.
But I'm too lazy to go to the gym. Can we work out here instead?
Okay, let's start. Hey, Amy, why aren't you working out?
I'm too lazy to get out of the couch.
Come on, how are you gonna work out when you're sitting down?
Ooh, I know how. Use the tape to stick your phone onto the weight. Do the same thing with the chips. Now, whenever you eat or play with your phone, you're doing exercise.
Wow, you're a genius, Amy. Oh, I'd rather work out with you.
Yeah, it's really easy.
You ready for the movie, Amy?
Yeah. Oh shoot, I forgot my key. Can you please help me go get my key?
Okay, but where is it?
It's on top of the shelf over there.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
I think the key's right here. Oh, hold on. She left the key and the credit card and the money in here. She'll probably ask me to come up and get it again. How do I get her to remember to bring these every time? Oh! To help Amy remember all of her stuff, we only need paper clips. Use the paper clips to clip on all the credit cards and the money. For the next step, slide all the paper clips onto the keyring. Now everything she needs is right here. Let's go give it to her. Hey Amy, I brought your key.
Thank you. Huh? What's this?
Because you forgot everything, and so I put it all in the keychain.
Oh, thank you, Max.
Yeah, you're welcome.
All right, let's go.
Alright.
Oh my gosh, what happened to my kitchen? Lily! Lily!
What?
Are you serious, Lily? Why don't you clean up after yourself? You could at least close the fridge when you're done using it.
Sorry, I have a scatterbrain. That's why I forget everything. I'm sorry.
How can I help you to remember everything? To help Lily remember, all we need are sticky notes. Write down all the reminders on your sticky note. And then put them everywhere. Now that the reminders are everywhere, you won't forget what you need to do. And if you forget, you can always check your sticky notes.
Wow, you're a genius, Amy. Thank you.
Okay, but now can you please clean up?
Fine.
Thank you.
I wonder how much I weigh. 188? Dang, I need to exercise to lose some weight. Oh, I'm so tired. I can't exercise anymore. How can I lose my weight? Oh, I know. To trick the scale to say that I'm lighter, all we need are towels. Put the towel down and then put the scale on top of it. Now just stand on the scale.